If you want to customize the battery charging limit on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the Settings app, and in Settings, just go to Battery. Under the Battery settings, just tap on Charging, and over here you can customize the battery charging limit as you like. Now if you enable optimized battery charging, just like that, your iPhone will learn from your usage and charging pattern, and it will charge your iPhone to 100% until you need to use your iPhone. For example, if you charge your iPhone overnight, it will learn from your charging pattern, and after the 80%, it will completely charge your iPhone to 100% by the time you wake up. But if you want to set a specific charging limit, like for example, if you want to set the battery limit at 80%, just select 80 from here. Just drag the slider over here, and after you select 80, your iPhone's battery will charge at 80%, and it will completely stop charging after 80%. And you can customize it as whatever you like. You can select 95, 85, or 90, just like that. And this is how you can customize the battery charging limit on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.